Anyone who prepares or helps prepare federal tax returns for pay must have a valid PTIN before preparing returns. All enrolled agents must also have a valid PTIN, which stands for Preparer Tax Identification Number. You may have received an email reminding you that the deadline to renew your PTIN is December 31st. This applies whether you prepare returns or you are an enrolled agent. To renew, go to IRS.gov, then click on Tax Pros in the top right. Then select the PTIN System area and choose the Renew or Register button. You will be asked to log in to your IRS account. If you don't have an account yet, select Create an Account and complete the steps. If you don't have a PTIN yet, select How do I sign up for a new PTIN? You can use the IRS PTIN checklist to make sure you have everything you need before applying. You will need an IRS account to apply for one and pay the fee. Note that your tax return information will be required to authenticate your identity in the process. Now, I already have an IRS account and a PTIN. I just need to renew it, so I will log into my account. Each time it requires the ID.me verification process. Once you log into your IRS account, you will see a Renew My PTIN option. Select that and then verify your current mailing address. If you prepare taxes through a business or employer, enter that information on the screen. If the business address is the same as your mailing address, select the option to copy it over. Then click Next. If you are an enrolled agent, CPA, or an attorney, your credentials will show under the Professional Credentials section. Verify that everything is active and that the expiration date is correct. Click Edit if anything needs to be updated. You can also add any missing credentials here. Press Next after you verify and update your information. Now you enter the Questions section. Answer whether you have been convicted of a felony in the past 10 years. A felony conviction may not automatically disqualify you, but very likely it will. Remember that providing false or misleading information is a criminal offense. Tell the truth, and if you must answer yes, explain your situation in the box provided. Next, answer whether you are current with your federal, individual, and business taxes. This is required because tax professionals should not be behind on their own taxes. If you have unusual circumstances, though, explain them in the box. Otherwise, select Yes and click Next. Next, you will see a list of IRS publications that cover the security plan requirements for paid tax return preparers. Click on each link if you want more details. If you understand and are aware of these requirements, check the box and click Next. If you are a current IRS employee, you are not allowed to prepare or assist with tax returns for pay. Confirm that you are not an IRS employee. Then review your PTIN renewal application. Click Edit if you need to change anything. If everything looks good, click Submit. Now you are done with the PTIN renewal application, but you still need to pay the fee for the application to process. You can pay now or later. I'm going to pay now. You will see a message that the fees are non-refundable. At this point, you can pay by credit card or bank account. After I completed the step, I received a message that my PTIN has been renewed successfully, which was super fast. I can download the PTIN renewal application and save a copy for my records. The renewal application is Form W12, used for both PTIN applications and renewals. Once you click Next, you may see a question about the IRS Annual Filing Season program. This program is for non-credentialed preparers and is voluntary. If you are a CPA, enrolled agent, or an attorney, the program does not give you any benefits, so I will select No here and submit. Within a few minutes, I receive an email saying my PTIN renewal was completed. I can now go back to my IRS account and download my active PTIN details for the new tax season, which for me is tax season 2026. On the last page, you will see your new PTIN card with your name, PTIN, and the year it is valid for. Make sure you renew your PTIN by December 31st each year. If one year you won't plan on preparing tax returns for pay, you could go to your IRS account and inactivate your PTIN. However, if you are an enrolled agent, in order to maintain your credentials, you need to renew the PTIN number each year. Thanks so much for watching.